Do we do roofs in the winter? That's what we're going to talk about. I'm Chad Beard, owner and operator of BC Exteriors. Let's get into it. Okay, so we're going to talk about working in the winter, roofing specifically. With asphalt shingles, you have to be very careful when you're roofing in the winter because, for one, it's slippery, yes, but temperature matters when it comes to installing. And so, at the same in the same category as do you work in the winter, it's do you work in the extreme heat of the summer. And shingles are all glued together and they stack on top of each other, and they need to be at a certain temperature in order to properly adhere to each other. And if it's too cold or too hot, that's not going to happen. And so we roof in the wintertime if it's an emergency or we know that it's going to be above 35 degrees for multiple days in a row. And if that is the case, then we feel comfortable and confident that those shingles are going to adhere to each other. If it's an emergency situation and we can't just tarp something and we have to do it when it's colder, then extra precautions have to be made, and we will make those precautions. Do we prefer it? No. And so yes, we work during the winter. Do we prefer it? No, we do not. Will we? Yes. Check out our last video that we did on what the process is or what to expect when inquiring about a roof inspection / quote.